around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex Trading Course 101. Hello King of Swing, hello Akos, hello Annie, hello Miguel, hello Dennis, Mestres Velius, how are you? Hello Regan, hello Janobi, and King of Swing again. Trading week, wow. Yes, Janobi, every time that we learn something new, then we have the so-called Forex Trading Week, where we are trying to implement, everybody, what we have learned so far into our live trading, okay? And remember, these kind of webinars are not trading or investment advice. They are for educational purposes only, and first comes, first is served. Okay? And how this works, Janobi, you can type in the chat the currency pairs, the currency pair that you want that we check, and type what is your idea. Everybody. Remember, first comes for research, so please type your currency pair that you want to check upon and the time frame, and type short, long, sell, buy, whatever. Okay? In the meantime, everybody, we are almost at the end of this Forex Course 101. Hello Christian, how are you? And after this Forex Trading Week, we are going to start all over again. Okay? So we are going to start all over again. We are going to go back to market structure basic module. And remember what we are trying to do here. We are trying to build the three pillars. Pillar number one is the strategy and or the system, that it's easy for us to understand, easy to execute. Pillar number two, we are trying to understand how risk management works inside our strategy and inside our system. And the big one that we've been doing for the last 5 days is the psychology part. And we are trying to understand how psychology works in our strategy, in our system, and in our risk management. And what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner traders say that I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. You know? Oh, I won! Doesn't matter, just one trade. Oh, I just lost. It doesn't matter too, it's just one trade. I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course, this is a quote from Mark Douglas, and I have my own quote here on the left. When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. You know, what is the right thing? The right thing is to follow the strategy, follow the rules, follow the plan, you know, follow the concepts, obey the concepts. Those are the right things. You know, and those two quotes really go hand in hand, you know, because when we lose and we lose again, when we lose 3 or 4 trades in a row, you know, we are getting scared. So we are not champion, you know, we are not there yet, right? We are not really that champion trader yet. We didn't acquire the skill. So instead we are thinking, oh yeah, you know, yeah, I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. This is exactly that we do. And we got afraid and scared, and when the opportunity finally comes, everybody, what happens, huh? What happens? We lost 3 trades in a row, and finally the 4th entry comes. What happens? We are too afraid, we got scared, and we are not entering the market, not following the rules. And then when we don't enter the market goes our way, right? And we are getting even further stressed. You know, oh, now that when I was trading, I mean, this market is impossible, right? When I was trading, I was losing. Now that I'm staying out, the market goes my way. True or true, everybody? True or true? Does this happen to you? Right? And here is the reason. It's not the market, it's us. You know, this is what we've been trying to learn in the past 5 days. It's not about the chart, and it's not about the strategy, and it's not about the plan. It's how we interpret those things. But we are past over this, everybody, so let's talk about trading. And remember, if this is your first time with us, please go to Ducascopy YouTube webinar page and start to watch the module number 1, basic module, what is market structure. Okay, and remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. And for homework or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, my LinkedIn contact. So Janobi, GBP, JPY. Okay, what is your idea? Do you want to go short? Do you want to go long? Janobi, what do you want to do? GBP, JPY, what time frame? And what is your idea? Remember, guys, there is no right or wrong in the markets. You know, you can have 5 traders, all of them are going to trade something different. Okay, there is no right or wrong. Weekly, daily here. Let me see, weekly chart, monthly chart. Weekly chart is this one. And weekly chart, maybe this one. And the daily chart, this one. So between those two that are weekly, I'm going to put this one here on the left. Janobi, what is your idea? Do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? What do you want to do? And let me see the monthly chart first. Okay. And I'm going to open the weekly templates, open template, JCloud. Up. What time frame? What time frame? What pattern are you trading? Where is your stop loss? Where is your take profit? Everybody, all of these questions are relevant to what you are trying to trade. Okay? Okay, everybody, so GBP, JPY, it's on the line. What do you think, short or long? Remember, there is no disclaimer, patterns, not this one. And there you go. Do you want to short the market? Do you want to go long, everybody? What time frame? The market broke the Fibonacci's. We are over. This is from the past lessons. A, B, C, D. Market still didn't hit the D. This is the A. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And the market wave is extension and retracement until here. What was the color? This one. Something like this. And transparency. Daily, I'm not in trade, just watching it. Okay? Daily. Okay, everybody, GBP, JPY, daily chart. Janobi, what pattern do you want to trade in order to go long? Yes, everybody, if you are going to put a currency pair, then you are going to talk to us, right? You need, so let's learn something, right? This is the chart. Those are the Fibonacci's. What pattern do you want to trade to go up, everybody? Or maybe you want to short the market. So let's address GBP, JPY daily chart. Who wants to go long? Who wants to go short? Where is the stop loss level? What pattern are you shorting? What pattern are you going up? Remember, there is no right or wrong. You know, you can have 20 scalpers, intraday traders, swing traders, news traders, position traders, trend traders, counter trend traders, and they are going to be long and short all over the place. Everybody, there is no right or wrong. But there are some principles, right? Like what pattern are you going to short, or what pattern are you trading to go long? And according to the pattern, you know, there is going to be the stop loss. Okay, everybody, let's make it simpler, right? Is now the right time to go long on this pair? What do you think? Is now the right time to go long? Especially you, Janobi. Oh man, I didn't know I need to talk about. Yes. If you are going to request a currency pair, you are going to hopefully learn something. Everybody who thinks that it's the right time to go long on this currency pair? Uptrend extensions on daily, stop loss on the last lower low, take profit on Fibo extension. Wow. Wow, uptrend extension on the daily. Now, let's address, everybody, the market wave and the short-term trend. So daily chart, let me just see something. Daily chart, okay. So let's address first the market wave. Okay, so this is extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. And so let's do it like this, and like this, and like this, right? And the short-term trend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then lower low. Everybody. So we have an up market wave, up Fibonacci, you know. Now, do we have a short-term uptrend? Janobi is saying, and also candles are bullish and market it's making higher high and trendline break. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, but the market it's not making higher highs, not yet. Everybody, is the market making higher highs on the daily chart? Is the market making higher highs? Look at the candles, everybody. Is the market making higher highs? Ako says weekly, daily are also up, but we are at pivot point level now. We learned, everybody, that you need to learn two things about trading. Number one, it's direction, which is a little bit more easy, and the other one, it's timing. Most beginner traders lose not because of the wrong direction, but because of wrong timing. You know? So maybe the monthly is up, the weekly it's up, and the daily it's up. But if our timing is wrong, we are going to lose pips and money. We need to learn timing. So the question is the market making higher highs, higher lows? And even though if the market's making higher highs, higher lows, what if the market is making higher highs, higher lows in a downtrend? You know? Everybody, the market's making lower lows, lower highs, like this. And then it's making higher highs, higher lows like this. Does this mean that we can go long? You know? And the market may be like this before, you know? Does this mean that we can go long in here? Maybe yes, maybe no, you know? But technically speaking, this is a down. Oh, but the market's making higher highs, higher lows. Yes, it does, but this is a down retracement. And this is where we are keep telling you, everybody, and hopefully teaching you, you need to know what pattern are you trading. So, passion, shouldn't we go up? You can do anything you want. You can go long and you can go short. But you must learn what patterns are you trading. And we learned this when we talked about how to build a strategy. Right, everybody? We learned this in the section how to build a strategy. Every pattern has its own rules, its own stop loss levels, its own probabilities. Christian says not yet. Ako says right. Regan, only candlestick formation, no established trend. We have counter trend line break with a candle close above but not higher high and higher. So what is the decision? Long or short? Yes, long but not yet. Okay, so let's short the market. No, short but not yet. Well, you must do something, right? And when you don't find your entry on the daily chart, Janobi, what you're going to do? So how we are going to trade this, everybody? Passion, give us the solution. No, you need to learn this. This is why we are here, right? If you buy the market right now, what are your probabilities? Where to put the stop loss? If you short the market right now, what are your probabilities and what is your stop loss? You missed my comment. Let me scroll, Miguel. And I have only hello everyone, Miguel. I don't have any other comments. It's your Apple computer, Miguel. You know, it's the Apple computer. Windows 7 doesn't miss comments, you know. It's the iPod or whatever. Miguel, it's your Apple, it doesn't work. I think you should change to Windows, you know. I'm just watching to wait for the close above the previous lower high. Previous lower high level first, then I will enter. Why would you enter buying at the lower high, Janobi? Where is the high, everybody? The high is here. This is the high on the daily chart. This is your high, everyone. Christian says, depend on everyone's strategy and pattern of trading. Yes, what is yours? Everybody, I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Look at the chart. The quadrant is showing you, or Linux, right, exactly. Opera, Linux, whatever. See, Miguel? I'm not the only one thinking that Apple is no good. I'm just joking. We are just joking. Aku is going to say, no, I'm serious, you know, I'm not joking. Everybody look at the chart. The quadrant is showing you the high. You have a counter trend line break and a bullish candle. How are you going to trade this? Long or short, and when? I'm going to give you 30 seconds. Please type your answer in the chat. Nobody? Nobody? Nothing? 30 seconds not enough? What do you think? And Zuelio said go to the smaller time frame. Now I'm going to clone the chart, and I'm going to the 2-hour time frame. Okay, this is the 2-hour time frame, or let's leave it here. Right? This is the 2-hour time frame. Now what, Zuelius? Let's go long, let's go short. Janobi said that if the market closes above 136.500, I'll go long. Okay. Stop loss. Let's make it red and edit label stop loss. Stop loss and coordinates 132.500 and take profit. Let's make it green. Let's make it green. Take profit is going to be at coordinates 142.000. Okay. Agree with Janobi. Okay, great. Janobi, why the stop loss at 132 and why the take profit at 142? Everybody? We are forming an reverse head and shoulder formation. Not seeing this, Akos. I'm not seeing this one. Reverse head and, well, at least on the daily, everybody, I'm not seeing this one. I'm not seeing this pattern, you know. Because the head is in here. This would be the head, right? This is the head, this is the lower. Okay, Janobi, so this is the plan, right? There is no right or wrong, this is the plan. Now we need to ask some question. Why this stop loss and why this take profit? And what is the probability of this plan, of this trade being a success? Missed comment again, your Windows 7. No, Miguel, it's appearing everything, but not your... I'm seeing you missed my comment and I'm seeing missed comment again, but I'm not seeing your comment. I'm seeing Janobi, I'm seeing Akos, I'm seeing Zoelius, Christian, but I'm not joking with you. You can watch later, the recording is going to be on YouTube. You are going to see that your comment, Miguel, did not appear. Why? I have no idea. We will form the right shoulder now. Well, on the daily, everybody on the daily is, where is the, there you go, is this one, Akos, that you are seeing? No, not this one, this is not head and shoulder. Head and shoulder is this one that you are seeing, maybe, everybody? And let's make it bolder. Like this. Is this one? Everybody? King of Swing window is the best, Miguel. Janobi, what is the probability of your trade being a success? It's 20%, 50%, 70%, 80%. How do you know that your direction is correct? How do you know that your timing is correct? Why the stop loss at 132? Why the take profit at 142? Everybody, the first thing that you must learn, everybody, you cannot throw trade just like this, you know. I'm not talking about you, John, I'm talking in general, you know. Oh, I'm just going to buy and stop loss here and take profit there. Doesn't work this way. You need to be clear on... Don't know how to explain this. Why are you trading like this then? There you go, Miguel, your comment just appeared. There is a down crown, a recent counter trend line, and a short long leg. I expect this market to go bearish, Janobi, see? There is a different view. I would enter short besides of the risk reward for a short trade is excellent. Janobi, for me it's 75. Based on what? The trend line break? Everybody? So this is Janobi and Akos, they want to go long, and Miguel is saying there is a down crown. No, there is a down crown, so left tip, center tip, right? Not this one. Well, head and shoulders then. Left tip, center tip, right tip. This would be the crown. Trend line break, okay. Market close above the previous lower high. No, the market didn't close above the previous lower high. I'm not sure what you are seeing, Janobi, but the market didn't close above the previous lower high. You have a high here, and 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 you have a high here. And you are saying, well, the market closed above the previous high. Where is the high? There is no high in here. And even if it would be a high, the market didn't close above the high. everybody, let's make a poll. Maybe we are looking at something different. Did the market close the high above the previous high? Yes or no? So 75% trendline break, okay, market close above the previous high, I would say no. And stop loss, I'll be the recent lower low for that's all. Market is also in a range. So you have only the trend line break, Janobi, to give you the probabilities. And probability, it will touch the higher band. Direction, everybody, is not the problem. Timing is. You know? Timing is the problem. As I've been telling you, you can have something like this, and then you have something like this, and then you have something like this, you know, and you would say, oh, okay, let's make it like this, and this would be the trend line break, right? See, Janobi, Ako says no, there is no, the market didn't close above the previous high. And Annie says no, the market didn't close above the previous high. I said market close above 136.11, then I'll enter. Sure. But what we are trying to tell you that there are no highs in this level. Or maybe yes, right? Let me see if I change the preferences general chart. So I have New York close charts. If I go to GMT, let me see. Janobi, you don't have a high here, okay? Janobi, pay close attention. You don't have a high here. I'm showing you the quadrant. Miguel is laughing. Everybody, I changed from New York close chart to GMT charts that most of you have. Okay. Passion, you are wrong. Okay, let me check. Oh, maybe I'm wrong, you know. Let me check. So, what is the widget? There you go. Let me see. This high is 136.584 and this high is 136.59. 5859. Janobi, you don't have a high. Period. End of story. Everybody, true, we don't have a high. At the level 136.500, this is not a high. 136.500. Okay? Just re-entered. And when we enter prematurely, everybody, what is going to happen? You know, here, when we enter prematurely, we are going to buy the market, which is nothing more a down retracement. The market is going to hit past resistance. Yeah, the market can do anything it wants. We are clear on this. The market is going to hit past resistance and then is going to push one more leg down. Talking about timing. This is wrong timing. Okay? Now, can we go long? Yes, we can, but not just like this. Everybody, I'm going to tell you something. I've been telling you this for months. If you are trading And if you cannot make sense out of your losers, you are doing it in the wrong way. You know, you must make sense out of your losers, not the winners, the losers. So if me, Akos and Janobi are going to buy after the market breaks the 1, 2, 3, 6, 500, Janobi, do we agree that you don't have a high here? If you say no, we need to learn what are the highs, what are the lows. What is a high? A high is a center candle with 2 candles on the left and 2 candles on the right with smaller high values. This is a high. And we don't have a high here. So let's say that me and Janobi and Akos, we are going to buy the market, right? We are going to buy the market in here. The market is going to hit resistance and then it is going to fall and we are going to be stopped out. We just lost. Nothing wrong. We are learning how to trade. But we need to make sense of out of our losers. Why did we lose? Right? And if we win, you know, like the market goes our way, and hit our take profit, you know, we need to make sense out of the winners too. But most importantly, make sense out of your losers. Everybody? So what is going to be? Miguel is shorting the market. Janobi and Akos are buying the market. Anybody else want to share? Everybody, do you want to share your view? Please type in the chat. Oh, I think I'm going long when this and this happens. This is the stop loss, this is the take profit, this is the pattern. Or as Miguel said, oh, I'm going short, this is the take profit level, this is the stop loss, this is the pattern, and this is what I think is going to happen. Now, as you can see, everybody, what Zuelius said, right? The daily chart is one story, the 2-hour chart, it's a different story. Oh, why is that? Well, we have different patterns on the 2-hour chart. You know? Talking about the Fibonacci's, right? Just quickly, Fibonacci retracement. One here, and second is going to be here, and third is going to be, not sure about this, but I think it's going to be this one. 1, 2, there you go. And then we have the next one, Fibonacci, which is this one, if I'm not mistaken, something like this. And then we have Fibonacci retracement is going to be this one, if I'm not mistaken, of course. And then we have the contrarian Fibonacci to go long. Change colors. Contrarian, there you go. And Fibonacci retracement, there. This is the second one, and Fibonacci retracement. This is the third one. So who is going to win? Zuel says short in the next counter trend and break. Sure. Zuelius, same question to you. What pattern are you shorting? Where is the stop loss go? What is the probability of the pattern? When you go on the smaller time frame, everybody, remember that the higher time frame controls price movement and direction on the smaller time frames. right? See, Janobi, when the market is going to hit 136,500, 136.500, you know, this is the view from the 2-hour chart. What's the problem? What's the challenge? What's the challenge, everybody? Well, one of the challenges, and there is no right or wrong, is when the market is going to hit 136,500, the original Fibonacci on the 2-hour is still valid. It's still down. It must break the A first, right? Conformity of the down original Fibonacci, sure. And thank you, Miguel. We have also the Fibonacci of the confirmation. It's here. Original, there you go. So now what? Long, short, long, long term, short, long term, or short? Short, long term, short, short term. What is going to be? Challenge is higher time frame. We are here to help you, everybody. How are we going to trade GBP JPY? Right now. Let's go long, let's go short. Zuelio says, okay, I'm going to short the market after the counter trendline break, which is here, right? So we have traders going short, which are Miguel and Zuelius. We have traders going long, which are Janobi and Akos. Who has the greater chance of success? It's a probability game. Who has a greater probability and why? And we need to make sense out of our losers and winners. If not, we are just trading by luck, you know? Oh, I won! Great, perfect, congratulations. Why did you win? Oh, but I don't know how to explain. Well, you won by luck. You know? Oh, I just lost. No problem. It's just one trade. Why did you lose? Oh, I don't know how to explain. Well, if you don't know how to explain, you cannot learn anything, everybody. You know? Christian says long term. Right now? And Janobi, if the daily chart is your trading time frame, which one is your confirmation time frame? It's the weekly, right? What is the weekly doing? This is the weekly chart. You know? And let's go on the daily again. Daily, and clone the chart, and let's go on the weekly. Let's delete a few of the things. Delete. Now this is the weekly chart. I am trading here the market structure on the daily. Okay. So creationist is trading the market structure. Where is your stop loss go? Where is your stop loss, Christian? And where is your take profit? We are almost out of time, everybody. Where is your stop loss? Where is your take profit? Market structure, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. There you go. Let's see. Where is the stop loss going to go and where is the take profit? And let's take a look at the monthly chart, right? Everybody, this is the monthly chart, right? For the ones who are thinking, oh, we are sideways, well, if you enter right now, this is your stop loss. Is this a good trade? I set stop loss at previous lower low. Thank you, now I'm confused. This is good. Janobi, go back on the Ducascope YouTube channel and start to watch. Or wait for another week. We are going to start all over again, Janobi. I don't know if this week or next week we are going to start again. Previous lower low. So this is the clone, the stop loss of Christian. Take profit at the D extension of the original Fibonacci. Now everybody see, now we are mixing things. This is Christian's take profit. Everybody, Christian, listen to me. You are just mixing things. Everybody, if you are going to trade market structure, your take profit and stop loss should be based on market structure. And if you are going to trade the Fibonacci, your stop loss and take profit must be based on the Fibonacci. Don't mix apples with bananas. Everybody, not just Christian, but most of you are still doing this, right? Oh, I'm trading market structure, but my stop loss is on the C of the Fibonacci. Oh, wait a second, you just said that you are trading market structure. Every pattern has its own rules. And I'm going to put the take profit on the D of the Fibonacci. Every pattern has its own rules. You know? Everybody, don't mix apples with bananas. You know, like just an example. So you have a Fibonacci and you have a crown, right? You have a crown, something like this. Okay? You know? Question, what are you trading? Oh, I'm trading the crown. Where is your stop loss? My stop loss is below the A. Well, you are just mixing. The stop loss above the A is the stop loss for the Fibonacci. And the stop loss of the crown is here. Don't mix apples with bananas. Chris says take profit at previous higher high.